It is, because you've got, a 45-day window that you're talking about here for naming a replacement. And by law, that window doesn't open until 5 days after the current prosecutor resigns, so mid-January. Also by law, the appointment extends to the next general election, which in this instance is November 2024. Whoever takes over as prosecutor in this downtown building will have big shoes to fill. Last week, when Ohio's governor told me Joe Deters was high on the list for the Ohio Supreme Court and then announced his appointment the next day, he set a post-Deters political scramble in motion for one of this community's most powerful positions.
There's no question about it. The county prosecutor sets the tone in this community for public safety.
GOP Chairman Alex Triantafilou will oversee the replacement process. He's a former judge who started his career as a prosecutor, knows what the job entails, and harbored a desire for it himself not too long ago.
As you know, parenthetically, I've got my eyes on a different political role, but yeah, I'm not interested in being the county prosecutor. I intend to run a fair process, though, to determine who it would be.
4 names are circulating among Republicans: Melissa Powers, Megan Shanahan, Greg Hartman, and Steve Gooden. Any others interested have until the end of the week to make that known. Without Deters' potent political name on the local ballot, Democrats sense opportunity. Former Judge Fanon Rucker lost to Deters 2 years ago. Former Mayor John Cranley is mulling it over.
You're going to have people pushing for position and jockeying for position to try and get this nomination on the Democratic side. Whereas in the past, their main concern was, could they find somebody qualified to run for the race?
Deters will resign January 7th when he's sworn in as a Supreme Court justice. County commissioners will appoint an interim prosecutor because by law, the party in power must wait at least 5 days to appoint a permanent replacement.
It's going to be important to me that we select the right person, and my political judgment here, I'll share it with the collected group. Deters has not indicated if he intends to make a recommendation to the 278 or so members of the party's Central Committee. Triantafilou hopes to be named state GOP chair the day before Deters resigns, and if he is, local party vice chair Tryfon Callis will then be the one to oversee the selection process. John London, WLWT News 5.
All right, thanks so much, John. So a lot of moving pieces.